On January 25, 2026, officers responded to a hotel for a customer complaining about an issue with their room.
Which I don't understand why. Oh, don't understand why. If there's a fire.
Can you come here so I can show you this problem we have?
I'm on the phone with corporate as well.
You want me to see the problem?
There's almost
Trunks on the
stuff
floor.
all over here.
It's nasty.
Is that a cable outlet?
It's not a cable. I think it's an old.
That's like a phone.
Yeah,
That's like
it
a
is.
phone jar or
Because
something.
look, this is from last night.
You smell it.
Yeah, I see what you're talking about.
Okay? They don't want to
Yeah,
give
so they all
don't have a
been
refund. So
Sounds like corporate's your best option.
Yeah,
They want you
you
guys,
gotta cover for an hour and a half and they just don't.
they want you guys to
It
leave.
doesn't matter.
'Cause they want you guys
Corporate
to
is-
leave.
I mean, I'll leave, but I want a
we
refund. Or at least
We
it's a
don't
debt.
need you. He's telling me to come back on
You can
Monday.
document this and everything, and then
I
deal
got
with
it all.
corporate. Yeah, that's good. Then you can deal with corporate, or even if you want to sue them or everything. But for the
He
time,
was just gonna give us another room. He told me he wasn't gonna give me my incidentals back. Why, I don't know.
your incidentals.
Yeah, or deposit.
Yeah,
Deposit
it's a
in the-
deposit. So get out, cause you have a big.
Your ID on you?
I do not. Hold
I
on.
have mine.
You don't have any ID?
I have mine.
No, ma'am.
Give her name and date of birth. No, I have a hard time to believe that you don't have a driver's license, ID, or anything like that.
I don't.
That's why I asked who's the room under. So even whose ID did you give to the front desk?
Yeah, no, I had a. That's not my name. Just so you guys are aware.
Who's that?
A card I'm using.
But whose card?
Card I'm using.
Where'd you get it?
My friend.
Who's your friend?
Listen.
Okay.
I don't know what the deal is
Okay.
or what you guys are
Okay,
coming
so-
at
so-
me for.
so-
You're not telling me, corporate lady,
That's
what
because it's
the
not
issue
my corporate's
is.
not my problem. Okay, if your name's Danielle, you have a warrant.
My name is not Danielle.
For
Just
your-
the last name.
That's why I'm asking
Emmett.
you for a driver's license, because if you're giving me a false name, it's going to be an extra
I
charge.
don't have a driver's license. My driver's license is suspended. I
Your
don't
car,
have it.
perhaps the car that you.
I don't drive. You know what? These people are saying I don't. Do you mind if I step in the hallway so we can talk to them?
You want me to give him the phone? You go ahead and run this name.
I don't have a warrant, so
Has a name. And there was a driver's license that was.
that's fine. I get
There
it.
was a driver's
I
license.
had,
There was a
just so
driver's
you were
license given
aware, I
to.
was.
The driver's license
I
given to
heard
the front
about it.
desk at check-in.
I heard
with
about.
that name.
I heard about the accident that happened in Wilmette or
Nobody's
Skokie
talking.
or wherever
Nobody's
it
talking
was.
about that.
Well, that's what that warrant is for.
Okay.
It's not my warrant,
Okay.
but it's for someone's.
Okay. Well, if this name doesn't come back to anything, and the photo on the driver's license doesn't look like you, you're gonna be getting fingerprinted to ID who we are.
Here, you look in my purse, but I still want to talk to my.
Hold on.
Who I was just with here.
Hold on. We're figuring this out.
He said I have a warrant, and I don't have a warrant. My name. I'm in. Yes, I used a fake ID.
Huh?
I used a fake ID to get in here.
It
It's not a
seems
car,
like a
it's
driver
mine
thing.
either. Sorry, okay, you could take me for it.
I just want her ID. That's all.
I don't have an ID.
So here's the thing: if you're gonna use a fake ID to check in, though, that person's gonna have a warrant, and
They didn't even ask for it.
they have an ID on file for her.
Oh, where's that?
I don't know if they did or they didn't, but it doesn't matter because I don't have a real ID. It's someone
You've had
else's.
some sort of ID, okay? And
Yeah,
then
but
you-
it's
and then-
somebody else's. I
and you
had
have a
brain
credit card that
damage.
belongs to somebody else.
I had brain
What are you doing?
damage
Get over here.
less than. Yeah, I know. What the fuck are you doing? Come on. No, I don't. And you guys got it. I just gave him my name. I gave him my birthday. So I don't know what. I don't have an ID, and I gave you my name and my birthday.
Don't turn it in. We kicked it on the floor. This room was dirty already. There's glass behind the door.
I need to go now. I'm literally in slippers.
Pushing and stuff, that ain't gonna help us.
Okay.
No, but I'm saying I gave you
So
my
that name you
my
gave us-
birthday.
That name and birthday you gave us doesn't come back to anybody with a.
Yeah, it does.
He ran that.
Oh, you want me so bad, don't you?
I don't care, but you're not gonna lie to me about your name when you haven't.
I didn't. My last name is Emmett, right? You looked at the ID.
This isn't my first day.
It's my birthday.
If you're gonna give a fake name to rent this room, this is the BS you're gonna have to go through if it's not you.
I didn't.
That's the game you play.
Well, you know what? Whatever.
And I'm gonna play
I'll wait a
and
second,
I'm gonna play
'cause
this.
I'm on
I'm gonna
phone
play
with
this
my
game better than you.
Okay, so anyways,
You're not
I'm
going.
not going anywhere. There's nowhere to go, and I'll sit right here on the
No,
floor.
you can sit right there.
You know what, dude? I hate these motherfuckers because these you know what? By all means, thank you for your safety. Thank you for everything you do.
This can simply be avoided by either giving me your ID, showing me an ID.
I know
As
you
a grown-
have it. I'm telling you.
You told me you've been issued an ID under that name because your license is suspended. So you have an ID.
No, my license has been suspended since I got a DUI 7 years ago.
That's fine. So you've had an ID or driver's license
No,
issued.
I have not.
You've never been issued a driver's license when you turned 16,
I
anything
don't
like
have
that?
it. I don't have that.
Okay. I'm gonna get. Then my next step now is to get a photo of your driver's license with the warrant, the photo associated with that driver's license, and then if that's you, you're going to jail,
I don't care what
and
you
I'm going
do.
to charge you with obstructing. Okay. This is your final chance to give me your real name, your real date of birth, or your driver's license or ID. You're making this into something that doesn't need to be right now.
Yeah, well, you are.
I know I've played this game before and I've won every single time I've played this game.
Well, I didn't win. How'd you
Okay.
win?
Well, I arrest the person and then I charge him with obstruction.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I wasn't born yesterday. I know how these games go. I'll play the game. I'll do the song and dance for you. Try all the names and birthdays you can give me. You're still going to go to jail, and then you're going to catch another charge.
Yeah.
So that's how this is going to go. It doesn't matter. One letter is not going to make a difference.
Well,
It's not like you ran. It's
that's
not like you
not a
spelled
fake
it. Brit.
that's not a fake person
Right,
that
but
I'm
you're
making up.
refusing to give us a physical hard copy of an ID. You're aware of a warrant with the fake name
I'm
that
not.
you're using.
I don't have a warrant.
You mentioned you knew about it in there, that you're using
No,
a fake
I
name and
did
you got
not.
a fraudulent credit card that you're using for the room.
No, I'm using my own credit card.
You gave me a credit card with the name of
Okay, cool. Where is it?
in his pocket.
Yeah, that's him.
Oh, he just said it wasn't him.
I lied.
Yeah, we're on a streak of that right
Oh,
now.
they threw it away.
We're on a streak of that right
You guys
now.
want to turn it off?
We spelled your name correctly and there's still no record, so you're telling me the wrong name and birthday.
We spelled it, double checked the birthday, so you have a different name. Or
Oh, that's weird.
No.
Hey, look at me.
likely.
Danielle. Here, look at me.
In my birth?
Look at me.
Don't give it to me,
Here.
Thank you.
Yep, that's you. Turn around,
That
put
is
your hands
me.
behind your back.
I
You're under
know.
arrest.
It is me. I have something.
Turn around, put your hands behind your
Hand out of your
back.
pocket?
What?
Put your hand out of your
Take your hands out of
pocket.
your pocket, put your hands behind your back.
Put
Put your hands
Don't
behind your back.
worry about it. Sorry, guys. A piece of rock from my fucking.
The central point is confirmed.
I don't know if I'm gonna. I can get out for this.
I want again. No, you're staying overnight. Just too tight.
Staying overnight.
You need to
I
get
don't
your
have
hand.
to. If I have to, like- Ow, dude! What the?
We're good.
Relax,
I was checking
No.
Make sure that it's not
Okay,
gonna hurt, because we're putting you in the
this
car.
is
Checking
a
the fit.
little bit much.
Okay. Do you want your handcuffs to fit or do you want them to be too tight?
That was how it felt. Was too tight.
Because
Look
I was
at
making
it.
sure
Look
that
at it.
that's what I was
Look
doing.
at
You said the fuck. Hold away.
That's not cool, dude. Please.
In front of the judge?
Do you have anything else on you that's going to cut, poke, stick me, anything you should not have?
Took it all off.
It's a little. It's
If it was a weekend, it'd be fine.
No, I don't have
fine.
anything.
Alright, cool.
I have lighters, I think, in my pocket.
You don't need
We'll
to.
search you, we'll do all that.
Don't reach in your
worry, we'll
pocket.
take everything.
I can reach in my pocket.
hey, don't
It's
reach-
lighters.
Hey, don't
Take
reach
them.
I will go through your pocket now at this point.
Take them, please. The lighters. Like, what the hell can you give it to him? Oh, shit. Right?
Shit.
That's from in there, though.
Okay.
They found a crack pipe, but it's from in there. That's from in there.
Behind the bed.
Yeah.
there a crack pipe?
You need. That's what
How
that
are you
is.
holding it? You said you threw your rock over here.
I took pictures.
Take her
I
to a car.
said pebbles, first
Take her
of
to a
all.
car. Stand with her and tell her, Tina. It's you.
My gym shoes on!
You need to relax. Hey,
I'm not gonna keep fucking relaxing, motherfuckers! God damn it, let me put my gym shoes on!
Danielle,
Let me put my gym shoes on!
you ain't get no shoes the way you're going.
God, dude, let go! Are you serious? Let go! My arms hurt! My arms
Let's go.
Yes. I have no fucking shoes. Why would you send me to jail? No fucking shoes. Because they were slippers. I can't walk. I'm injured. I have
Throw your
brain
shoes on.
injury on my right side.
Throw your shoes on.
Thank you. Can I bend down to get my shoe on?
Put your foot in it.
God,
Turn the camera on.
I'm cold.
Go ahead, have a seat.
What are you telling me?
Put the window down. Well, we're standing here with the door open until Tina gets here. Hold on. Yeah, you will be. That's where the warrant's through.
The woman was charged with concealing identity, possession of a fake ID, and resisting arrest. Thanks for viewing the channel. If you liked the video, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more.